Or non-existent human signing in. Fucking, it's been a while since I've done a video and shit. But yeah, I thought that I'd make a part 2. One that's better in a point of view video. So I came home one night and my dog did this to my wrap. I don't know if you can see the dents. But yeah, she just went crazy and thought it was like chocolate or something. Even though that'd kill her. But yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to repair and how to roll in a point of view style. So far you can see like 3 little piercings. Yeah, I can fix this. Check this out. Always gotta do this technique. Most of my friends love doing this. Alright, time to gut. Smells good. Alright, clearly we can see the holes now. I don't know if you guys can, but we got a hole right here. Now I got another one, both right in the middle. What I like to do is, I'll grab a little bit from the end. See? Just tear it apart, you know. Oh, but what I'm also going to show you is how to roll a blunt without saliva. This is what you do. Grab like a bottle cap or like water or whatever the fuck you guys gotta do. Here's more of my point of view style right here. These white owls, they come in like in 2 little pieces of paper, you know. So we gotta make sure you get those glued on together right. People say that the saliva helps makes it like more sticky, but I truly don't believe that. I'm just rubbing water onto the paper. Patch both holes with 1 piece of wrap. Just press lightly, you know, like this. You know, it'll eventually stick. Just don't lose faith that it won't stick, but it'll be a little bit more troubling since it is water. But it'll do it, you see? See how well, yeah, you see that? See if I see any other holes. No, those are the only 2 from her teeth marks. Pretty shocking since she's a puppy still. Let's see if I get a better angle. So yeah, I'll just do it like this. Point of view, I'm just showing you from my perspective, or from yours, you know. Got my weed scooper card from all those haters commenting.
No need for that. Just grab the fucking gap. The first pocket that's back. The take it to his back. Or this ball, I'ma smoke him. Yo, don't make no move. What? Treat it like boxing. Stick and move. Stick and move. You ain't got to explain shit. I've been robbing motherfuckers since the slave.
I'll make it closer for the point of view. See.
Yes, love. Love your fucking attitude. Because the nigga play pussy, that's the nigga that's getting screwed and bruised up from the pistol whipping.
This is the side that I'm gonna use as the mouthpiece. As you can see, I just push it over a little bit. Pretty much just tuck. I'm gonna tuck the whole thing just to get it formed. Just hold your position after you like have it like sort of rolled. Yeah, I like rolling it with water sometimes in case when I'm sick, so I won't pass on whatever the fuck I got. So you just dash your finger just in the water. Make sure you don't got too much, but this is pretty much what your tongue does while you're rolling. But make sure you don't have that much of a damp finger. You just fold it. Fold it, you know. What I'm doing is just like a little basic technique. Anyone could do this. If it wasn't illegal, even kids could do it, you know. Let's see. Just forming it. There you go. Just tuck it in. Make sure you get like the other areas to see if like they're not getting loose. Okay, that side's pretty much done. Just working on towards the end. Just get the whole thing. Get a little bit damp. I need a little bit more water. Just fold over towards you. And that's how it's done without no water, no nothing. That's how you roll it. That's how you prepare. I don't know what you guys want from me. Besides just to be here with me, you know? Peace.